Okay, we have a Haas CNC tool room mill, model TM1, serial number 35993. Machine was new in 2004. It has a Haas CNC control. It has a 10-station automatic tool changer. We're gonna run her for you. It's got a 10.5 by 47.75 inch table, 30 inch X, 12Y, 16Z, 4,000 RPM. Right now we're running at 3,500, right up near the top. That is the top. That's 4,000. Nice and quiet. 2,000 RPM. We're going to drag around for you. Machine is Cat 40. We're going to simulate a tool change. Machine also has a USB port. That's your X. Your Y. And the Z. All right, those are the axes moving. We're going to open the coolant guard. There you go. You can see the table. Again, this machine's original paint. It's nice. Thank you for watching our video.